How is oil safely stored, processed, and delivered to power entire cities every single day? From the fuel in your vehicle to the energy running industries and the power lighting up millions of homes, behind every drop of fuel, there is a massive invisible network working silently in the background. A network of gigantic storage tanks, miles of interconnected pipelines, and highly complex refinery systems operating 24/7 without pause. But this is not just infrastructure. It is one of the most sensitive and high-risk environments in the world, because here even the smallest mistake can lead to massive consequences. A minor design error, a pipeline clash hidden in drawings, or a mismatch between plan and reality can result in costly shutdowns, project delays, or even dangerous accidents. And the truth is many of these facilities were built decades ago, expanded and modified over time, yet still rely on outdated blueprints that no longer reflect what actually exists on site today. So, the question is, how do you bring accuracy back to something this complex and rebuild trust in the data that engineers depend on? This is where technology steps in with
LiDAR scanning.
Using advanced laser-based capture systems, entire facilities are scanned in high resolution, capturing millions of data points every second and recording every pipe, valve, tank, and structural element with accuracy up to 2 millimeters. Not assumptions or approximations, but reality captured exactly as it exists. This data is then transformed into highly detailed 3D models and further developed into intelligent Revit models that carry real-world information. Instead of working with outdated 2D drawings, teams now operate in fully digital, data-rich environments with a complete virtual replica of the facility. With BIM, clashes are detected before construction even begins, pipelines that would have collided are rerouted digitally, tight spaces are optimized, and critical systems are aligned with precision and safety in mind. All of this happens before a single change is made on site, saving time, reducing cost, and most importantly, preventing risk.